Video time. So yesterday someone told me tune-ups cost $50. And I said, you can't even buy OEM spark plugs today, real OEM spark plugs, because there is knockoffs, from the dealership for less than $15 a spark plug, and some are way higher than that. Yep. So do a 4-cylinder, right? So do 4 cylinders times 15. That's $60 just in parts. If you don't have to take the intake manifold off, which Dylan's doing right now on this Traverse.
And everything's stuck.
Right, so why are tune-ups so expensive? One, because the parts are expensive. And then two, the time to do it, where Dylan's taking the whole top of the intake manifold off just to get to 6 spark plugs.
Yep.
And then do 15 times 6, right? How much is that? And I'm talking cost, like cost, meaning you're not making any profit
130
as the customer to do your own tune-up. So at a shop, we got to make a profit to pay everyone plus the labor. So $130 for a 6-cylinder tune-up, not including taking the car apart, replacing the intake plenum gasket, replacing coil boots or coils depending on the design.
Yeah.
That's why tune-ups are so expensive today. Thanks for watching.